How'd you get her out this morning? How did you get her out this morning? Hi. Hi. No, go get Harper out. I want to see how you get her out when you get her out in the morning while I'm in bed.
Here.
Okay, go get Harper. How do you get her out in the morning? Pee my pants. Honey, that doesn't look... Harper, you are a tough little cookie.